Hey everyone, thanks for checking into the Redcat University, and today we have another great part for the Gen 8 Scout. Today we are going to talk about the aluminum rear shock tower. This is a great option part for those of you that want to add style to your rig, or for those of you that are looking to take your truck to the next level. Well, because you like to really challenge your truck. Alright, besides the shock tower set, you're also going to need a 2mm hex driver and some thread locking compound. This is going to be a pretty straightforward install, so let's get to work. As with every project, start off by removing the body, and now we can move on to removing the shock tower screws. You're going to remove the 4 screws in the wheel wells here that secure the shock tower to the vehicle. After removing the 4 screws from each side of the wheel well, now you can remove the upper shock mounting screw. With the upper shock mounting screw removed, now you can just set it aside and access the last screw that secures the shock tower to the frame. Remove the screw from both sides. Now you can gently squeeze the shock tower and remove it from the frame. Removing the rear bumper isn't completely necessary, but it gives you the freedom of moving around while you're taking things apart. Next, we have to transfer the cross brace to the new shock towers. Do so by removing the 4 screws that secure it. Now we could reinstall the bracket onto the new aluminum shock towers using the stock hardware. Again, slightly pinch the shock towers and slip it back into the frame. Now add a little bit of Loctite to the mounting screw and reinstall it into the lower tower. Now continue by reinstalling the shock in the stock location using the stock hardware. And we suggest using thread locking compound on all machine screws going into any aluminum parts going forward. Reinstall the factory hardware in the fender wells, 4 screws on each side. With the new aluminum option towers installed, you're ready to head back out and explore some more trails with your Gen 8. The part number for the towers and a link to the Redcat Racing website will be listed in the description below. We'll see you back here at the Redcat University for another option part how-to very soon.